there, I'm Brad Long with Efficiency Vermont. As part of my spring cleaning today, I'm going to be taking a look at my bathroom ceiling fan. The bathroom ceiling fan is responsible for taking all the hot, steamy air from your shower and exhausting it to the outside of your house, which is critical for indoor air quality. But over time, the louvers on the fan and the fan blades themselves can accumulate dust. That dust makes the fan work harder. And when the motor works harder, it becomes less efficient. So today I'm going to pull the louvers down, clean them up, I'm going to clean the fan blades themselves, and see if we can get this to work a little bit more efficiently and effectively. Join me! Here, I've got the power shut off to the fan. Quick visual inspection, you'll see what I mean. The bottom of the fan here has a lot of dust and debris that's beginning to collect. And what we're going to see is when I pull this off and we look at the actual fan motor itself, you'll see more dust and debris. So we're going to take this off, clean this, and then I'm going to try to remove the motor from this fan and see if we can clean the fan blades itself. So this is the back side of the vent cap, and you can see this dust building up in here. This dust acts as a restriction for the airflow, which causes the fan motor to work harder. And if we look up into the fan itself, you can see the dust that's collecting inside the fan impeller here. This is the stuff that we want to get out of here. That little dust there is not going to hurt anything, but it's this dust in here. And that's the problem. As that collects on the fan blade, it creates weight on the fan and causes the fan to work harder. I'm going to try to get this dust out of here by removing the fan motor with these 4 screws, dropping it out of here, and bringing it to a safe table to work on and try to pull it out. We've got the fan motor out now, and you can see a little bit better in here what I'm talking about. The dust on these impeller blades creates extra weight, and that extra weight creates lack of efficiency for the fan motor itself. So I'm going to try to get that out, try to get this dust out of here using some simple tools I got at the hardware store. Cleaning this out goes pretty well. I'm just shaking up this loose dust here with this brush, and then what I'll do is vacuum this out when I'm finished. But I want to loosen everything up first, get in there as best I can. One thing you do want to pay attention to when you're doing this is to make sure you get as much off of each fin equally. Otherwise you'll have a fan that's not equally balanced. So these fan blades have been cleaned out as best I can get in there. And you can see there's a little bit of residual dust on these blades, but they're mostly cleaned out. Same for this piece here. I actually scrubbed this out and then cleaned it with some water. So I'm going to let that dry in the sun, and then I'm going to reassemble this. There's a pile of dust I have here from the inside of the fans. This is a very small collection of it. A lot of it blew away outside here as I did this outside. It was very dusty. But that gives you an idea of the dust matter that can collect on these fan blades. And what happens is when you have moist air from your shower, this gets really sticky and gets heavy. So this is the stuff you want to get out of your fan impeller here and your vent, and help your bathroom fan run as efficiently as possible.